guys, so today I will be showing you how to make your very own orange oil. And this orange oil is great for the hair and for the skin. So let's get started. So we are going to be using the orange peel because it is packed with vitamin C, and using them on a regular basis not only leaves your hair with a natural shine and bounce, but it is also said to improve the state of your mane internally. It can also help treat various scalp related issues such as dandruff. Plus it has hair growth benefits because it is enriched with vitamin B12, vitamin E, and furthermore it helps slow down the graying of hair. And lastly, the juice extracted from the peels of the orange works as a great conditioner for the hair. So here are the options of the oils that you can use along with these orange peels. So the first one is VCO. Now this oil is perfect to use if your aim is to grow your hair and keep your skin smooth and hydrated. Now the other option is using sweet almond oil. Now this is probably one of my favorite oils for making my hair butter soft, and it also keeps your skin cells healthy, protected from UV radiation damage, and helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of fine lines. Now the next option of oil that you can use as well is olive oil. Now this oil is great to use for both your hair and skin because it will soften and strengthen your hair by penetrating your hair shaft and preserving moisture. And when you apply to the skin, the antioxidants from the olive oil may prevent premature aging. So the last option of the oil that you can use is castor oil. And as we all know, castor oil is one of those oils that are really great and known for hair growth. And also the essential fatty acids that castor oil contains helps restore skin's natural moisture balance. So in here with me, I will be using the combination of the castor oil and the almond oil, but you can use whichever oils that you'd like here. And I'm also going to be using this container to store it. So now in here, what I'll do is I'll of course grate the orange peels. You can also slice it into small pieces or even mince it, but for me I did it this way so that I can easily get the orange extracts. So that's how much that I got from that one small orange. So in that little container I filled it with 50% almond oil and 50% castor oil, and then of course I will add in the orange peels in there, and actually decided to do a cold press version of this and just let it marinate for 4 days before using it. Now if you want to speed up the process, you can surely heat up the oils and the orange extracts in a pan and then you can use it, but for me I prefer to do it this way. So it's gonna look something like this. And as I've said, I am going to leave this to soak in for 4 days and store it in a dark place. And then after, this is what it looks like. Now this orange oil smells really good. I love the citrusy aroma that it gives you when you use it on your skin and hair. And I'm currently using this on my hands because I've been cleaning and the cleaning solutions that I'm using has really dried up my skin. So this helped a lot in moisturizing the skin, especially on my hands. And I'm also using this on my elbows, and I find this to be very conditioning when applied to the scalp and hair. Plus I also love that it has some amazing hair growth benefits as well. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments down below if you all want more hair videos or hair DIY videos like this. And also please do share this video to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!